Alright, welcome back to the channel. Here today we're going to be cooking some fried pork over Spanish rice. Super easy to do, doesn't take a lot of effort, and oh my god does it taste great. Well, let's get started. First, what you need to do is get some long grain rice. I use basmati. Put it in a little saucepan, throw a little bit of vegetable oil in there, and just toss the rice in and kind of just fry it up a little bit till it gets a little bit fragrant. Next, what you need to do is get a cup of water and put in some tomato sauce. I usually use the one that already comes with a bunch of spices in it, like garlic and salt and whatnot. Just mix that up. I also throw in a little bit of chicken bouillon in there and pour it in. Wait till it comes up to a simmer, just like you see here. And this is what the final product will look like in about 15 minutes of cooking on the stove. As always, full instructions and ingredient list will be in the description below. Here we go. This is the main thing. This is the fried pork. So what I do with this, I use a cast iron skillet, throw in a little bit of oil, and just fry up some pork in there. This happens to be some pork shoulder that was cut up already into small pieces, bone in. And what I do is I just fry it up until it gets nice golden brown and crispy. Don't overdo it because you still want it to be a little bit juicy at the end. And here's the plated product. As you can see, I threw a little bit of cucumber salad on the side just for a little bit of veggies, you know, try to keep it a little bit healthy. And just look at that pork. Oh my god. Well, as soon as I'm done with this video, guess what I'm doing? I'm going to be digging in. This is going to be the clean plate club for sure.